Hello. So this is a quick example of how to load in a Power BI report into the web interface of Power BI. So here I'm using the web interface. You need to find out where the workspace is. So here it's on the tiles. Here in this view, I've got this workspace here. Then you open it. Then we're going to import. And we're going to go to report. And we're going to load from the computer. Okay, so it's looking for files ending in .pbix. As part of the instructions, I've already told you where to download the pizzasales.pbix form from. This is from a GitHub site. So we click on it, select it. Okay. So this is going into workspace where we store kind of reports. So it takes a while. So what I found slightly confusing is, so the name of the file we're loading in was pizzasales.pbix. And you start off with, I think, data and a model. And we have to wait. And it takes a little while to process it. So you're looking for the file pizza space sales.ipix, and it takes a while for it to actually process it. I'm just going to refresh to make sure, see what's happening. Okay, so we still have to wait for the tile file to come in. Okay, so then once we've got the fit pizza sales.pbix, we can load it. So I just clicked on it. And then I click on the button again. So this is loading the report. So this is a report created by somebody else. So the application was pizza sales, different types of pizzas, different pizzerias, and you have a dashboard of the results and various numerical answers. If you want to look in it, you can click on Edit. Okay. So you can shuffle some things around and modify it a bit. See here, I've clicked on it because we're in editing mode. So this is just an example of how to load in a predefined report. So that's kind of useful, partly if you want, it's not perhaps the best way to share these reports to stakeholders, but it is a good way if you download something on the web, if you want to look at the way people have built dashboards. Okay.